Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make a professional account on Instagram. Setting up a professional account on Instagram unlocks business tools like insights, ads and more. So let me guide you through the steps and let's follow them together. The first step is to access settings. Now before you do that, you have to access your Instagram account by going to Instagram and clicking on the Instagram icon on your mobile or mobile device. After that, once you're on your home screen, tap on your profile picture. Like you see, I'm using a tablet, so the layout is a bit different, but if you're using a regular phone, you'll find it in the bottom right corner right here. Tap on the profile picture. See here. After you go to your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner right here, so you can see them. After that, go to, let's see here, let's search for switch type. Look for switch to professional account in the search bar, and then follow the prompts by clicking next. Make sure you read these informations and click next. You can choose what describes you better, if you're an artist or a musician or just a blogger, etc. You can choose like this one. I chose artist and click on OK. You can add details like your email, phone number. Choose between creator or business. I'm gonna choose creator. Depends on what your needs. Now for this step, you're just gonna confirm. Not now. And then add details like your email, phone number and business category, and link your Instagram to a Facebook page if you have one. You can do all these steps by setting up your professional account. And just like this, you switch to a professional account. Now you have a professional account. It's very easy and very simple. For additional tips, use Instagram's insights to track followers, growth and engagement by clicking on the three horizontal lines right here. And then go to insights right here. And here you can see an overview of the views, interactions, and total followers, and the contents you shared. You can optimize your bio with a call to action or a link, just like by going to edit profile on your profile page right here. As you can see, I chose for my bio this call to action, the for collaboration. You can use your own or even add a link. And another useful thing is to post regularly to maintain audience interest. And that's it. That's how you make a professional account on Instagram. It's very easy and very simple. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.